Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi, how are you? So in today's video, we are going to be making those crystal belts. I think that's what they're called. I saw them on Instagram and they're so cute. Plus, I have all this rhinestone mesh. I have like a ton of them left over, so I was like, might as well just use it to make something. Because I've been trying to get rid of them for like weeks. Not get rid of them, but like turn them into something else. But I have this rose gold one and a black one. I decided to use the rose gold. Just get a little pop of color. So all I'm doing is just measuring my waist to see how long I want it and how thick I want it. And then I'm just going to start putting it together. This DIY is so easy. All you need is the rhinestone sheets and the a hot glue gun, or if you want, you can just sew it all on together, or you can just use the E60 glue to just glue it on together. It's really easy. It just took me like 5 seconds to make it. That's how easy it was. Oh, I'm also gonna need a belt buckle, which you guys will see near the end. But this is what the belt looks like. I saw some pictures on AliExpress. So now I'm just cutting it up. That's it. This DIY is really easy. You just watch the video. Boom, bam, wham. You get it. Super easy. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Keep watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.